Hey guys, it's your guy Abrazak Otokiti. Today we'll be looking at outliers. And what is outlier? An outlier is a value of a data set that tends to differ from the remaining data sets. So let's take, for example, now in this table we have the name column and we have the pounded yam in 20 minutes column. And in the name column we have several names there, and in the pounded yam in 20 minutes we have several numbers there also, and this number represents the number of wraps of pounded yam that each person can eat. And then if you look at, we have 5, 3, 2, 6, 4. They are almost within the same range. But in the case of Otwode, only him can eat about 72 pounded yam in 20 minutes. So now if you put Otwode in this data set, you now see that it will affect the mean, or it will affect the other value in this data set, because the remaining data sets are within the same range, but 72 is quite far away from the highest number here, being 6. So to see the effect of this particular number 72 wraps of pounded yam, here we'll try to first of calculate the mean, to find the mean value, which is the average. To calculate the average in these data sets, then first of all we highlight the data sets. Then to find the mean value of the number of pounded yam that a person can eat in this data set. See, the average value now is about 4. So the average pounded yam that each person can eat in this data set is 4. Now to find the median, we use the median function. To find the median, use the median function and select the data set also. So now this tells you that the middle value is 4. That is the median value. That is, there are people that can eat less than 4, whereas there are people that can eat above 4 in this data set. You can see that both the mean and the median, they are in the same level, because the average is about 4, while from the median, which talks about the middle value, it's also 4. So by the time we try to replace want to eject this particular data set in this table, let's assume we are replacing Otwode with Ometere. Then and we eject these 72 wraps of pounded yam that Otwode can eat inside this data set. You see that the mean value is telling us that the average wraps of pounded yam that each person can eat in this data set now is 17.2, while the median still remain 4. So now this is the effect of an outlier in a data set. The outlier tends to have much more effect on the mean. So in a situation whereby you have an outlier in a data set that is being given to you, it is advisable that if you want to work on that particular data set, it's better you make use of the median to find the average of the data set. But in a situation whereby all the data revolve within the same range, it is better you make use of mean. So that is all about outlier. Thanks for listening. I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.